Deep pink. Let's draw a beautiful mermaid. First, draw her head. Black. Good. Now add a little mouth. Draw a long hair for your mermaid. Black. How wonderful! Amazing! Draw the mermaid's body. Black. Add a nice swimsuit. Cool! Now draw the mermaid's arms. First, the right arm. And now the left. Don't forget to draw the mermaid's beautiful tail. Very pretty. Draw a fin on the tail so the mermaid can swim fast. That's it. Now put scales on the tail. You've drawn a simply marvelous mermaid.